Hello again, top pilots. Good morning. And today we will have again another flight, but this is going to be a different flight since, as all you know, Manila is back to MECQ. That means that domestic flights going out and coming in Manila are suspended. So, but we still have a flight today. We'll be going to Dipolog, and then after Dipolog, we'll be going to Zamboanga, which is my hometown. Then from Zamboanga back to Manila, and it's going to be all cargo flights. Walang passengers, but we'll be bringing essential cargo for everybody. So, tara. Hi guys. Ayun, nandito na kami sa Dipolog. So, nagdala lang kami ng cargo dito. Yung mga cargo, so yung mga cargo dun sa ilalim ng aircraft, yun yung binaba namin dito sa Dipolog. Tapos itong mga to, itong mga nakikita nyo to, ito yung dadalhin namin sa Zamboanga. So, wala kami mga pasahero ngayon, puro cargo ang dala-dala namin. So, yun yung isa sa mga alternatives. Kunwari, gusto mong maging piloto, kung ayaw mo sa airlines, meron yung iba, mga cargo aircraft. Pero kami ngayon, dahil MECQ, so ni-utilize yung eroplano sa pagdala ng cargo. So, min-maximize yung eroplano. So, lahat to, tingnan nyo, secured lahat yan para hindi gumalaw during flight, kasi delikado kapag nag-iiba yung center of gravity ng eroplano. So, pagbaba ng cargo lahat dito sa Dipolog, yung mga nasa ilalim ng eroplano kung saan talaga nilalagay yung mga cargo, pag naibaba lahat yon, lilipad ulit kami from here, Dipolog, pupunta naman kami ng Zamboanga. And then sa Zamboanga, magkakarga ulit kami ng mga gamit. Yung mga gamit naman na yun yung dadali namin sa Manila. Ito yung mga kalipad ko. Ayan. Si Kenneth. Saka si Nick. Ito si flight mechanic. Yan ang flight mechanic namin, kumakain. Kailangan nyo kumain para malakas yung ano niya, yung resistensya. Okay. We're now preparing, going to Zamboanga. Ito si Kuya, siya yung ramp agent namin. Ang pangalan mo, Kuya?
Alray.
Ano ka?
Balikan din.
Ayan. Si Alray. Siya yung ramp agent namin. So siya yung namamahala dito sa Dipolog. Lahat ng pagbo-board ng pasahero. On this case, yung mga pag-unload nung cargo at saka paglagay ng mga cargo ulit. Saka ang magiting kong kalipad. Yan, pare.
Diyos, idol.
Yan ang idol ko. Si Odi.
Idol. Ano ba channel mo ka?
Ha?
Ano ba channel mo?
Hanapin mo JC Rage.
JC
Rage.
Rage.
Oo. Kakalan lang namin ng Zamboanga. Dito tayo ngayon sa Zamboanga. Kung titingnan nyo yung weather, hindi maganda. Maulan dito ngayon. So, kanina sa approach, masyadong maalog. Mahirap makita yung runway. And since walang ILS yung Zamboanga, so we need to be visual with the runway para makalan kami. So, yun. Right now, binababa nila yung mga cargo. So, pagbaba ng mga cargo dito, ulit ilalagay yung mga cargo na dadali naman sa Manila. Medyo mahirap mag-vlog kasi naka-mask tayo ngayon. Kailangan naka-mask all the time para sa security ng lahat. Health security. So, habang nag-unload sila ng mga cargo, kami naman piniprepare namin ulit yung eroplano. So, Ang problema, maulan ngayon. Hindi maganda yung weather dito. Hindi rin maganda yung weather actually hanggang sa Manila. Maulan. So, we make sure that we have enough fuel for any contingencies. If we need to make some small diversions so that we can avoid the weather, we do that. So we compute all the necessary fuel for that. Yan ngayon, na-unload na nila yung mga cargo natin. Hello!
Hi! Welcome na sa Buanga.
Yan. Hello everyone. Something came up. Guess what? Andito pa rin ako sa Zamboanga. This is actually my second day here in Zamboanga. And nandito ako ngayon sa hotel. That's because yesterday when we were preparing our aircraft going back to Manila, after the inspection, we found something that needs to be addressed immediately doon sa aircraft. So there is something wrong na maliit lang naman na bagay, but we decided not to proceed with the flight because isa siya sa mga safety concerns. So katulad din ng jeep, katulad din ng ibang sasakyan, nagkakaroon ng problema yung eroplano kasi mechanical siya, katulad din ng ibang mga bagay na nasisira. But yesterday, nabutas yung gulong namin. That's because merong nasagasaan sa runway, and buti na lang hindi siya malala. It is a minor thing actually, but kung napapanood nyo yung ibang vlogs ko, everything about aviation revolves around one thing, that is safety. So kahit na minor thing, but if it concerns the safety of the flight, safety of the crew and the aircraft. Well, yesterday puro cargo flights yung dala namin, so we don't have any passengers, but it revolves around that safety. That's our main concern. So kahit na maliit yung bagay na yon, we ensure that when we take off, everything is safe. So 2 days na ako dito. Mamaya maayos na yung aeroplano, then we will prepare again to go back to Manila. I'm inside the hotel dahil may quarantine, saka hindi pa ganun ka ganda yung situation dito sa Zamboanga. So I opted just to stay here in the room. Hopefully mamaya maayos na lahat, then we can go back to Manila. Some of you guys are asking what are the different ways to increase your flying time or to gain experience. So most pilots, after getting their commercial pilot license, they enroll themselves to become flight instructors, because being a flight instructor, it's one of the easiest way to gain time and to gain experience. And also, you can share your knowledge to the new ones that are coming in. So the reason is because some companies, they require a minimum flying time for their applicants. Like for example, some companies, they require you to have an experience in multi-engine aircraft, minimum of 500 hours, for a lot of reasons. One is because they want to make sure that you have the experience flying an aircraft. Two, it's the insurance. Maybe yung insurance company, they will not insure the aircraft and the pilot without getting the minimum required of flying hours. So maraming dahilan. So yun yung mga pwede nyong pasukan. Pwede kayong maging flight instructors. Pwede din yung mga charter airplanes. Some of them, they hire newly graduate CPLs or commercial pilot license. So you will fly as an FO or first officer. Tapos you will gain time, gain experience. Because remember, everything about flying an aircraft is about experience. The more flying time you have, that reflects your experience flying an aircraft. So yun yung mga hinahabol ng company. It doesn't matter if you are 40 years old or on your mid-20s, pero yung flying time, yun yung importante. So let me go back doon sa word na safety. Like I said before, yung eroplano katulad din yan ng ibang sasakyan. Hindi naman yan at all times at the tip-top condition. But the difference between an airliner and a jeep, for example, is lahat ng parts ng ng eroplano pinapalitan depende sa tagal. For example, yung certain na kunwari lang tornilyo, good lang yan siya for about 1,000 hours, sabihin na natin. So, every 1,000 hours, pinapalitan yung tornilyo na yon. So, ganun yun sa lahat ng parts ng eroplano. Tapos, merong mga inspections na ginagawa sa eroplano, like every 3 days, every 1,000 hours, depende sa klase ng eroplano. So, yun yung maintenance procedure na ginagawa ng mga kaibigan natin na maintenance personnel. So, pero, katulad din ng ibang sasakyan, meron kang mga unexpected na nangyayari. Katulad nung napaplatan, katulad sa amin kahapon, tinamaan ng matalim na bato yung isa sa mga gulong namin. Although maliit lang siya, it really doesn't concern yung big concern sa safety. But the fact na may konting damage yung eroplano, hindi namin nililipad because we are very concerned about that. So, hindi katulad ng jeep na pag nabutas, ibubulkanize mo lang yung gulong. Sa eroplano, kailangan palitan yung gulong. So, ganun kataas yung level of safety. And if you're going to look at the statistics, makikita ninyo na the most safe way or the safest mode of transportation is via an airplane. So, if you compare the incidents that are happening sa mga automobiles compared to the airplanes, napakaliit lang ng mga airplane. Medyo controversial kasi kapag ka-airplane. Kasi hindi ganun kadalas naririnig sa news. Pero siya yung safest way of transportation. Kaya dun sa mga nagko-comment, nagsasabi na takot ako lumipad. So isipin nyo palagi na ganun. Saka kami namang mga piloto, hindi namin igagamble yung buhay namin. We want to make sure that when we fly the aircraft, we make sure that it is on very good condition, that we know that it is safe to fly. That doesn't just concern our own safety, but also the responsibility that we have to our passengers. Just imagine, yung katulad ng Airbus 320 or yung Airbus 321 ng company namin, 200 plus, 236 na tao. Yun yung number of tao na nasa responsibility namin. So, we want to make sure that everything is safe, that our passengers will be safe, that you get to your destination safely. So, safety is a very important word for us. And we don't take it lightly. So, if we find something, even a very small thing that we think is going to be a hindrance or going to be a problem, we make sure that we address that. So we are now prepared to go to the airport, but we still have time. So just like before on my previous videos, I told you that before I go to the aircraft, I need to check the flight plan, I need to check the condition of the aircraft, and the weather. Weather here seems to be okay today, and the forecasted weather in Manila when we arrive in Manila seems to be okay too. So hopefully this is going to be a good day, good weather for flying. Tara, let's go! Yan. Okay na aeroplano namin. Salamat sa mga magigiting na mekaniko namin nandito. Yan. Ha?
Ano natin yung cut?
Yan. Kaya mga magigiting namin na mekaniko. Naayos yung aeroplano. Idol, anong masasabi mo?
Ayos na, uwi na tayo.
Magandang ano sir.
Uwi na tayo sa Manila. So, see you in Manila.
KLM 876, taxi straight ahead, hold short Foxtrot 5 Alpha.
Okay guys, we're back in Manila. Tapos na ang araw natin.
Uwian na.
Thank you kay Odi.
Thank
Idol
you.
ko to. Ha?
Uwian na.
Uwian na kami. So, hanggang sa susunod. Thank you ulit. Bye-bye.